Hello y'all, today I'm going to be showing you how to make some vanilla bean meringue cookies. And for this we got 4 large egg whites. And when you're separating them, be very careful, no yolk in there, no grease, that'll really mess up with what we got to do. We got a half a teaspoon of cream of tartar, we got eighth of a teaspoon of salt, an eighth of a teaspoon. 1 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, and 1 vanilla bean. Okay, for our vanilla bean, we're gonna go ahead. We're just gonna cut off that little hook tip, and then we're gonna cut right down the middle. Don't want to cut all the way through, just the first layer. Then we're gonna open that up, and we're gonna take our knife, and we're just gonna scrape the inside. And then you'll get this black tar. That's all your vanilla seeds. Alright y'all, now that we got that done, we're going to take our 4 egg whites, add that into a large mixing bowl. Then we are going to take our cream of tartar, add that in, and then we're going to take our salt and add that in. Now, on a low speed, we are going to get this until it's airy, foamy. That's what we're going for. We're on a low speed. We're gonna mix this until it's foamy. We'll bring you back at that point. All right, now we have the foamy consistency with our eggs. We're gonna take our sugar, and on a medium or a low to medium speed, we're gonna very gradually, add this in. You want to do that? Add a little bit, mix it all in 100%, and then add a little more. This should take at least 5 minutes. We'll bring you back when that's done. Alright, now that we got all our sugar added in, we're going to keep mixing this until we get a stiff peak and it becomes glossy. We'll bring you back at that point. Alright, now that we got our stiff peak, and it's glossy, we're going to go ahead and we're going to add in our vanilla and our vanilla bean. And we're just going to fold this in with the spatula because you do not want to overmix your eggs. So, we'll bring you back when this is done. Alright, so we got our eggs mixed up. And if you want these to look really fancy, you can use a pastry bag and make them look really fancy. We just have a regular cookie scoop and a sheet pan. And all we're going to do is just scoop that on. And do that until our sheet pan is full. We'll bring you back when that's done. Alright y'all, now we got our cookies on our cookie sheet. We're going to go ahead and throw these into a preheated oven at 225. We're going to leave them in there for an hour. After an hour, cut the heat and leave them in there. Unless they start to turn golden brown after you cut the heat, check them. If they're brown on the outside, take them out. But usually if they're not done cooking, leaving them in there a little longer will help them finish cooking. But as soon as they start to turn brown, get them out of the oven and let them start cooling. We'll bring you back when ours are done. Alright y'all, so we cooked them for an hour in the oven, shut the heat off, and let them sit in the oven another hour. They've completely dried out and they are amazing. So if you ever feel like a good snack, here's one for you. Until next time, keep on cooking on.